Tamiris Vidal will be fighting Hailey Cowan, and this is another potential for a long war, for a long fight. I'm looking forward to it. Tamiris Vidal. Ostomans Ratrindon via very close split decision, but was better than Ramona Pascual, Kayla Braga, Aline Perez. She is very, very dangerous, but Cowan can take a beating. Might not be the best fighter in the world, but she can take a beating. 5'8", 69.3 inches of reach. Very long. Lost to Jamie Lee Knott via unanimous decision and was better than Claudia Light, Monica Franco. She's got excellent submissions, but Vidal can also take a beating. These two chicks are actually very, very tough. And I like this toughness. I believe these two chicks are gonna throw bombs on each other. I also go with over 2.5. I believe you got Vidal via decision here. I believe Vidal has better cardio, and I think she is going to be more dominant in the later rounds. So Vidal decision, but over 2.5 is my official call.